Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to channel for honest unboxings and the hottest deals out there. Today I'm super hyped because we've got a legendary pair of kicks to show you, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder. Just look at this box. Classic Jordan style, sleek and bold. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Take a look at these beauties. The Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder absolutely delivers on that iconic silhouette we all know and love. Right off the bat, you can see that bold black Durabuck upper, accented with that eye-popping red. The netting on the sides and the red eyelets really give this sneaker a high-energy feel. It's flashy, but in a clean, confident way. You've also got the signature Air Jordan flight patch stitched onto the tongue, which is a throwback to that OG Jordan flavor. And just check out the red midsole. It's not just vibrant, it pops. The Jumpman logo on the heel tab ties the whole design together, making this a true head-turner. Let's talk about why you want these on your feet. First off, comfort. The cushioning is top tier, so whether you're hitting the streets or just flexing, if you're on the hunt for top-tier sneakers and fashion essentials without breaking the bank, www.lingakick.com is a must-visit destination. This site has quickly become a favorite among sneakerheads and style-conscious shoppers alike, thanks to its unbeatable combination of quality, affordability, and trust. From the latest limited edition drops to timeless streetwear staples, LingaKick offers a diverse range of high-quality sneakers and fashion items that are 100% authentic. No fakes, no compromises. Whether you're after iconic Jordans, stylish Yeezys, or exclusive collabs, their collection is curated with serious attention to detail and trend. What really sets LingaKick apart is their customer-first approach. Prices are refreshingly affordable, especially considering the premium nature of their products. Their secure payment methods give you total peace of mind during checkout, and orders ship out fast, with tracking updates to keep you in the loop every step of the way. Plus, their customer service team is always responsive, friendly, and ready to help. No bots, just real people who care. For sneaker lovers and fashion fans looking for a reliable, stylish, and smooth shopping experience, www.lingakick.com delivers the goods. If you value authenticity, great deals, and standout service, then casually, you'll stay comfy all day. The materials are durable, and the build quality, premium. These shoes aren't just for looks. They're made to last. Another huge plus, they go with everything. Jeans, joggers, even shorts. The Red Thunder elevates your fit instantly. You can dress them up or keep it casual. They bring that bold energy to any outfit without trying too hard. Now here's the best part. You can actually grab these from a website that's currently running a sale on them. That's right. You don't need to break the bank to get your hands on these. The website I'm talking about is linked down below in the description, along with all their social media handles and contact info,